Hello again, my friends. Here we are again with another Ketron Midj Pro. This belongs to a fellow musician and he sent it for a check. The machine is getting stocked once in a while. All the no more activity with the switches and effectively frozen. So I already have a plan in my mind, somehow having a firmware upgrade, or up to date, better said. Some work here before I see this one. It's missing or being replaced with a regular switch button. Just a little cleaning for now. This is the power supply, and as long as we are here, let's go. "34 seconds, not bad at all, not bad at all." Okay, now what software do we have here? We have version 1.015 Ketron page. So the latest firmware is 1.54 in 2022. So all I have to do now is to take all the others starting with 1.51, download everything, and then I'll show you how to do the upgrade. I'm gonna do a general backup because I have to be sure that nothing wrong happens here. This is very simple to be done. I have my computer connection right here handy, and exit. Come on. You see? It's blocked. What the heck? Man. It's already blocked. Sucks. Okay, let me prepare a new folder. Okay, here we are. Go media. PC Connect. Come on. It's kind of... Yeah, now it's doing the backup. Okay. And it's done. Now, to be sure that we have everything, I'm gonna open all the hidden files. Okay, perfect. It's something wrong here, maybe. What's wrong with this? These buttons are not working at all. What's happening? No reaction, nothing. 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 How's this possible? Yeah, okay. Nothing to do for now, but let's open it. Let me check the thing, because it's something really strange. Okay. Okay, let me check the BIOS battery. It's down there. Let's check it. Oh, this is so gone. Okay. I'm gonna use this. I will replace that. Go there. There we go. $294. Okay. Let me have some contact spray for now. Nothing left to do but to check all these little guys. All these little pins everywhere, all around. Let me check let's see about the connectors. They are okay. I don't see any corrosion, but let's clean that. Okay. Now, feels solid. Let's see this little guy here. Everything's fine. Looks okay. Perfect. Now I want to take this out and see what I can do about those ports. There we go. Perfect. Perfect port. Okay, so here I have two new ports. Let's put that. This one should go out. Let's see how it fits. Here is a problem because I have this metal shield and I believe I have to take that out. Okay, we'll see. Oh yes, and here I have another one. Same size but kind of different case. I really don't matter. That's really don't matter. There we go. Okay. Let's see. How can I fit them? This is perfect. Good. Let me check. Do I have any short there at ground? Perfect. Let's check this. Oh yeah, looking good. No short to ground. Perfect. Super solid. Yeah. Cleaning. That's fine. Okay, let's put the things together in the case. The ports are absolutely okay in place. I have to check if the SD card, oh yeah, plenty of place. This one, you know, the ports are absolutely okay there. Yeah, we are getting closer, but I'm not sure what's happening with the rest of the things. Let's see. Okay people, we can give a try. Let's see. I didn't check for the voltage. 9. Okay, this is good. Exactly. Okay. Come on, blue. And blue. Oh, nice. Why is this on light always? What can I say? It's pretty okay. disposing fast. Look, I don't see any problems, except this guy here lit all the time. Interesting. Okay. Okay. It's pretty good. Pretty okay. I don't have a proper stick around, but this will do the job. So, port number 1. And nothing. Yeah, okay, this one it's working. What about this? Okay. What about this? Working. I have to check this port. Okay. What's happening with this port? So I have a loose connection here. And now we should be so fine. Okay, let me see if port number 1 is working. Okay, there we go. Come on up, come on up, come on up. Yes. So all the USB ports are working, and this is so great. Perfect. Oh yes, so the USB ports are working. Now let's play this. The demo. Okay, so if I'm pushing with the finger, doesn't really understand, but if I'm taking my nail to do that, then everything is fine. Okay, it's working. Now I'm gonna do the upgrade. Let me clean the area a bit to make that easier. I will just copy the files one by one into the internal hard drive and do the install from there. Disk, PC Connect. Oh, this is so funny. You see, this is the 128 SD card. I can see it in my file explorer. Funny. Okay, 51. 1501. Take them one by one. So now I'm copying. You see? There's the guy. Copying. It's done. Disconnect this guy. Now we go on System, Preferences, Update, System Update. And we have this one. Is it working? It should. Of course. Saving all the system files, please wait. That's what I got on the display. Takes a while. Installing the apps. Software, please wait for system rebooting, okay? So now we should have 1.5.1. Let's see. Let's check. 151.29.0. Oh, perfect. Okay, now let's connect again the PC, and we have. I'm deleting 1.1. Now let me transfer 1.2 and install it. So this is 1.5.2. Installing the app software. Please wait for system rebooting. This is small. Interesting. Very fast. And it's done. Okay. Back. No, it's, I may say it's responding very well. Fast. Now. System update, backup, system update. Okay, there's the one, and boom. Like I said, the other one, 151, was pretty heavy, a lot of data probably. There we go, it's done. And finally the last one will be in the hard drive in a second. Okay. Very fast. And now connect, because I want to erase this guy here. 1.5.4, and I think we are good to go. Let me check the software. We are on 1.5.4, 26/07/2022. This is the latest firmware, and I'm pretty sure everything is fine. And let's do the booting time test again. Okay, and go. I recall it was like 35 seconds or something. Is it faster? Is it better? Same story, 36 or something. So yeah, it's exactly the same timing. Okay, play this. Perfect. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope it's useful. You Ketron owners, at least this model, you know, if you have any question, please write them down. I'll be really happy to answer if I can, of course. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the like button. And like always, thanks to my sponsors, Rado from Belgium, Vlad from Amphia Records, and Jack from United States. And you know guys, until the next one, don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye bye.